So this is our chicken. It has been brooding for around 1 week. Uh, so to break its broodiness, what we do is we pour some water in a bucket and we dip the chicken, uh, the body of the chicken, so that its body cools down and it stops its broody nature. As you can see, it is still brooding. So this chicken, now this chicken is very intelligent chicken. The moment I pick up a bucket or fill it with water, its main reaction will be to run away. See, watch closely. See, I'll pick up the bucket, I'll fill it with water and I'll pick up the bucket.